Hey yo, what up, beautiful Tata people? We back again with another special Mtata Mchana podcast. Yeah, boy. Namhlanje we here. Sivizitelo Mr. X Mkhuluwa. He's having a birthday. As you see, everyone is in all black. Wonke black. Siyakhipha andizonibonisa yonke into but zanibonisa yonke into irrelevant like who I got with me namhlanje. This i-brothers zam ngabantu nabama kodwa ke ngabakhuluwa kuni okanye kwabanye benu but yeah man, I got my brothers with me but as always asitsho uba ngobani ngabo abazotsho uba bangobani kwenzekani bafethu ni grand. Yeah man, yeah thetha nabani
Ndimloni nguMonmos Buddha locally. I'm a wanted member, a very great dancer. So sikuyo kule game bafethu ndihamba namachidam azoxelela. Ayo Mtata, this is POSITIVE, positive, as you all know. Yeah, and lapha ku wanted bese sizonixelela kanene but ke bayivethu niyayazi ngoku. Yeah, this is Yonela positive guys.
Ayo, this is H.M. Koboli, the first piece of the puzzle. Yamani wanted bese ichilo machidama won't be long.
So
Yo, this is your boy Lita Situ. I'm an wanted Machitam, you know the drill.
Yeah, yabona abafethu. That's how you do it. But game nage simthathe so imthatha sinesiduko so I just need ngenye mina ungadibani nomzala yabo. So yeah man, first and foremost ngikubhukula mina umkhwanazi umhlophe osisitha yabo. That's me. But yeah, who are you?
Udlovu lozidle kanxa solumali somntungu ugengezi lo ngabe emahlubeni mina abantu. Ya ngulozulu umchumana umpafana lona. Ya mina ndingowangapha edutya. So
Ndidibaniso dlangisa othole lenkomo kunye nodlamini ejamakashato fakade anendiva namadoda.
Okay. Ngabani sikuthi ngabani mhlane lona all the way from Engcobo.
Ivile, that's how we do it, guys. Yo, you see, it feels good. Yeah, I got cousin Yama, so exactly. Hey, for Tumkwana, man. Yeah. Okay, brothers. Otherwise, you having a good time.
yo la way but I want the experience as if money hapa on TX and we're here to perform besides basel ubumnandi. We're here to work. Yeah, bro, yeah. As masibona ba saqala uset vibe. Otherwise we feeling good. Yeah, siyabulela kakhulu ngoba sibe lapha siyivuyela lonto leyo to TX. Lonto leyo it means a lot to us mkhulu wami. I hope now ba usifila mnandi.
Ayo ndimnandi as long as ndisenza lo msebenzi ndimnandi. Ikuseye bra baba banye bantu kakasipanisela niphelele kanje. No phaya masiphelelanga yazi but abanye abantu bethu abekho lapho like abanye bagodukile due to home situations and all that. So bakhona abakhoyo apho but bebesalungisa izinto zethu due to the fact yoba sisandofika kwalapho. So yeah, we have to be ready for everything. Yes sir. Yeah, number one. Mr. Teller, uyadlala namhlanje?
Yeah, hayi for sure ngiyadlala namhlanje. Bukeli wanted 7% maqhosheni, you know it.
Hayi plus inhlizalo into podcast engoma yabo, engaging everyone, sibe ku comment one yabo. So yeah, for someone who doesn't know ke uba wanted indoni cela iwanena nje yabo, fast and quick nje.
Okay guys, yeah. Hey, you wanted 5-star. Okay guys, you wanted 5-star. It's an art company. The art company that works with various art forms sizi-actors, sizi-dancers, musicians, i-writers, i-poets. We do various art forms mkhulu wami, but ngoku si-based on i-dance kakhulu nomculo, as uba nizobona as the night goes by. Namhlanje sizobe siniphathela umshunqo, umdanso, then and i-present khona nje present esiniphathele yona namhlanje, so we wanted, it's all about that.
Alright. Hey, zamushukulele yakhala producer ba. Okay. For abantu abazabukele namhlanje, is birthday ka Mr. Xmos. Just a message. Who's good with those? Message. Send a message. Yes, sir.
Firstly, I would like to thank UTAX for welcoming us. Sisangena pha because eyona nto iyabaluleka kuthi and iyahlala kuthi sithe sisepha UTAX wangumntu osoyayo, and sicela uyibulela lona, and sicela ubulela for i-platform because not anyone was willing ba asoloko esinika lento sisenza lento siyithandayo, but UTAX uhlale nenimba ba khanenze lento nidume ngayo majita. We are very grateful for basibelapha, and we hope UTAX I-enjoy imini yakhe namhlanje because yonke lento ingayi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and one thing siyambulela about siyabona i-local artists khona Dynasties obani, yeah, uyasupport uBraw Mthatha kakhulu, and londo le siyayibulela kakhulu uTAX. Yeah, shout out to Hotman Endala.
Yes, sir. Okay. Bantu banifumana njani space yagqiba madoda? Who's good?
Bantu basifunayo, you can find us on Facebook _wanted 5-star, TikTok _wanted 5-star, Instagram wanted 5-star.
Yes, sir. Wanted 5-star, 5-star, 5. Yeah, we are both going to say. Yeah.
It's like 5, as in like 5.
Okay, so it's wanted 5 number. So who's time? I mean, who's time? It's STA. Yeah, because I'm very certain. Okay. Thank you so much, brothers. I wish you all the best. Stage in Amhlanje. Yeah, man. Bobby, I ain't to know it. You see, you got the cat got Fresh Prince. You know what I mean? Let's go. Hey yo, we back again with another special. Look who I got with me. My nigga, Ukraine. Sharp fit, Ukraine. Yeah, I'm fine, you know. Sharp, Brian, I know you know me. But for the people that don't know, who are you? First question of the day. Excuse me. I know, Kule. First question of the day, Brian.
Okay, my real name, the name from birth, is PK. Okay, my parents, Anbiza Upuka. Okay, yeah, because Upuka, Umbete, I born at 4 16.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that great class in the morning. Yeah, that's my name. Umbete. Yeah. So my surname is Lithuania, but I'm a Sutu.
Yeah, you see.
Check.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, my clean name is Mfukeng. I grew up in Mthatha, but my parents are from Lesotho. You know.
Yes, sir.
So basically, Xhosa is my language, my added language on top of Sotho.
Okay.
So when I grew up, I came to write with English. You check.
Okay.
Yeah, so English, it taught me a lot of things.
Wait. I wanna kill that. I know where you want to go. But bruh, if you want to clear name, Carl, before we get to other things. Yes.
Mufukeng wa kata sefere ba khojana ba titimela mobutleng.
Okay, man. PK, for the people that don't know, when's Anono na Brian?
Bra, entertainment and fitness.
Yes, sir.
But yeah, the major one is entertainment because it's what people love. Entertainment.
When's Anono Bago entertainment?
Entertainment, I'm a DJ.
Yes, sir.
I'm a promoter. Yeah, I provide with sound. That's why I'm the operator.
The operator. PK, the operator. Silava Mr. X namhlanje. Siyakhipha message to umkhuluwa.
TAX has helped a lot of people, including me, to be exposed in the entertainment industry. As I said, so X is massive, bro. We can't compare just massive.
For tonight, a thank you message, anything.
I think we message thank you for like bringing this kind of party because as I'm at 2K, we need this kind of entertainment. So as DJs, it's our opportunity to showcase our talent. So siyakubulela bra because wenze lento zange yenziwe kuwe to show that you care about the entertainment industry.
Nice. I like that. For abantu abakufunayo komkhuluwa bakufumana njani?
Okay bra, ku-social zami zonke I'm PK the operator but excluding Facebook. Facebook nginguphuka Nkahle, PHOKA LEH.
Yes sir.
Yeah.
I know. That's fine. Baza kufumana. Yazi why niyenza short and brief?
Sure.
We don't got time. Ndifuna ukukhulula so that you can get to the festivities. Brian ndabulela kakhulu. I hope you enjoy. Ijourney yakho ibe nhle kakhulu man. Yeah man. Stop it. Hey yo, we back again with another one. I got another brother with me, of course. But niyayazi ke mnaki andiyitsho uba ngubani umntu uyazazisa ngokwakhe. Manigga, alright? Sharp Brian, you know me. Nale platform ndenza Mthetha Mtshana. But for the people that don't know you, nabantu bakwaMthetha Mtshana, please man, talk to the camera. Ungubani?
Hayi, igama lami ngu-Avela wakwaBhodlani. Akopane ne-MC Mo abantu abandaziyo. Yeah, Dim Lo.
Yeah man, Simo Avela wakwaBhodlani. Brother yam Semthatha. And the podcast is all about knowing each other. So I need that clear name. I need to know which tribe you represent. You know what I mean? So that abantu bakho phana basalute.
Ano ngugaba lo Tithiba uCiwoshe umuntu omlambo uNozinga umSuthu mandeni ikhawu labo ndonqeni bengiyitsala kakhulu njami noko bandivile.
Yes sir. Khona ne kumnandi kwazi. Brother yam just to keep it going. Silapha namhlanje Mr. X uthi hayi ngibona oBlack come through. Funny enough khona into ethi there were 15 women that were murdered every day, so khona nento yokustrike nyana njalo yenzeka. So it's like a movement for the ladies supporting the women. So I feel like it's amazing just the timing guy. For you Mr. X uzayibukela lena. The team izayibukela, the team yakhe namhlanje. Sithini kubo.
Hey bruh, nah, I'm for whatever, anything that is good bruh. Anything emalungana ngabantu bruh outside ekufuneke ilungisiwe cacaba thini ihamba ecaleni bruh. I'm for that. I support yonke le yenzekayo. Just that can't if by thing yabo ba yantoni okanye.
No, I'm not saying but it's something I was like looking online, but it's about the Conway edge.
Like, okay, it matches with even the combo and namhlanje.
Nah, it's more like a coincidence. But I know, bro. Now I approve, bro. Silapha ngoku sizobonwaba so support our ex kuyo yonke lento ayenzayo, bro.
Yes, sir.
So whatever outcome ezokwenzeka namhlanje just ukuba into ezoba yabo.
Message to him.
No, ex, bro, you're doing your thing, man. Shout out to you, ex. Freshest of them all, the freshest Mthatha. You know how he does, man. You know how he does it, man. It's ex, bro. Nakanjani?
Kuthiwa hungu. X. Yes, sir. Abantu abakufunayo player bakufumana njani?
No, ndiyafumaneka ku Facebook, Avela Simo Botlani. Instagram, it's Simo_ZA. That's Z and A. You know what I'm saying? ZA, yeah. Then I go Twitter brand afumaneka Simo_RSA.
Ukwazi umspela la Simo.
No, it's SIMOA. You know, simple like that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nakanjani?
My brother, I hope you have a beautiful night. Ndiyabulela kakhulu player.
Listen, my guy.
Bless you, Tiko. Akwandeselela lapho uthatha khona player.
Listen, qhubeke naleyo yakho, bro.
Thank you.
Support.
Can you say for the camera, Mthatha Mchana podcast?
Tata Mchana podcast, we live. Silapha enkandla ngoku. Let's rock shit up, bro. The great, the mnandi.
Yes, sir. Hey yo, beautiful Mthatha people, we back again with another one. Look who I got with me. Kantone man, better the beautiful queen of class, queen of SA hip hop.
Indeed.
It's not a cap, it's a fact.
Oh, Lamtana.
You know what I mean?
Indeed, boy.
Bala nizimdelele bangibani. Funeka yena as per ritual yaseMthatha Mchana podcast. Asixelele uba ungubani. Sisi wami right namhlanje. I'm good. Ungamind wethu mphethe nefoni enzela basivakale phaya yabo.
Go ahead.
Yeah man. My name is Loco. Yazi. But I got this podcast, Mthatha Mchana. So I said, hi man, let me holla, Stibanapa, say Mr. X. Tell the people, man, who is this queen?
Ayela ayos numalaka iwan logo spinovar infect ngata bandiva neyaloi ngata bandiva london sethunya naseniniva niphelela ngapha uphila mcimbi kudala ndokubiza bayandivivinya ndicisha nyaka ndinginginya badla ngendebe ndale ndidla ngayo mna yinjikitya banobhiliva xa nofika sendiqhumisa intsiza ndiyibuzile imali yokobe ngicaciselwa masimba yela sanamandini yeboy
Alright, okay, no malanga. But yeah man, Mthatha Mchana is all about this. We understand entertainment life, we understand all that. But no malanga, kumabani.
sanamna ndingumadumo mamthombe numalwandle singancanga ugagane nikhwele ayozi ngamthini mthana amathomeni walandla umathole boy lwandla lwela zinkonjane zodwa zona zinamaphiko mthanam uba ukhofulayi ngeke uthini mthanam ngeke uthini mthanam yohani
Yeah. You know I love Jonga imandi kanje podcast yami. Is that it's still recording, yeah. Imandi kanje.
yeah mthanam
Is that as much as we know each other, masazaneni.
Masazaneni,
Sinabantu
ngingalandlela.
asonikazi actually sinabantu.
at the end of the day
You understand?
Oh,
So
lapho
sinabantu nje masazaneni.
masazane
In that sense.
umzekelo mthanam ungubani ungumni wena
Oh, for sure. Sorry. Let me introduce.
Yela.
Ukugula lo mkhwanazi yabona chief iphaya.
wenza mess
Kadibi.
khona simhlophe wosisiki sisuka ngapha ke thina isikisiki but silapha eMthatha sakhulela okay, message to Mr. X for tonight.
Mr. X ebulela ngoyibambe lapha entertainment industry yaseMthatha wenza kakhulu ukhulumani. We thank you for the opportunity. We thank you for supporting the youth. Siyayazi dem siyazama and nguwo sivela umzekeli line up yakhe namhlanje uyibonile Dayam lawoba he's putting on the keys baba. Umzekeli bayosela stage noma uyintsomla way low
Profile zabo zonke automatically. You know what I mean?
Siyabulela Dayam. Thank you so much and happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Okay, for whenever for now, I know, I'm sure sebebonile by MC le. Bakufumana njani on socials?
Sanam ningu Dynasties.
Yes.
Kubone Dynasties ku Facebook, Instagram, ku Twitter naphi nayo yonke indawo. Na ku TikTok search Dynasties noma la kayi one spin over noma la unemlebe fethu. Ngoba msatha ku Google uzofika epha.
Yes man, yes man. You heard it from her man.
Andini.
Let's say for the camera, Mthatha Mchana podcast.
Mthatha Mchana podcast.
Thank you so much.
Ayos, sana.
Yeah man. Enjoy your night. Yeah man.
That was dope.
Hey yo, we back again with another special. Kanjona abantu bamphethe bani? Dali Masambe. Dali Masambe. Masambe sepalito. Sowakhela umuzi wakho. Sibabe khona. Andifuna ngixelele bambani. As culture yethu ke nayazi. Mthatha Mchana podcast. We here, Mr. Dingo, uhle mkhulu wami.
Right, akona kunjani?
Akhona mkhulu wami. Mkhulu wami, we're doing the podcast Mthatha Mchana. Sithini mfowethu? Si right kanje? Sure, okay. We're doing the podcast Mthatha Mchana podcast. So nje abantu bethu bakhalela ukwazi ke. Abantu sidibana naba. Wena local uhambe wathina bemthatha dibene nabani. So mkhulu wami uyaniva ndiyayicula. But for someone who doesn't know you, ubani wena mkhulu wami?
Shosho mandilibulele lithuba kuqala Mthatha Mchana podcast.
Yes sir.
Lona ngu Mr Dingo inzalelwana yalapha eMthatha. The king of East Afro Maskandi. Masingayishile indawo because kaloku uMr Dingo uintroduce igenre entsha apha eEastern Cape ekuthiwa iEast Afro Maskandi. Phofu ke ineyo yalapha eEastern Cape qha mandithi yeyomhlaba wonke jikelele. Yeah. Yemlo.
Yes sir.
Yes.
Khuluma andifuni usadline Khulman. Get in the picture. Kuhle mkhulu wami.
Kuhle phopho kunjani?
Akhona mkhulu wami. Hayi mkhulu wami. Abantu bayabona Mr Dingo usoyama nomkhulu. Abantu mkhulu wami for the people that don't know you. Umbani wena mkhulu wami.
Okay, uayandandakisa lona comedian yenu istrong drunk wesikhulu.
Yes sir.
Niyayazi njengoba nindazi nje comedian but ke Mr Dingo wanibamba wafuna unditsalela kwelicala lomculo. In fact uyabona manje sibhikela ufuna undifaka kuma million. Then what you grow ngoyizwanis.
Yes sir. But Mthatha Mchana sinenye segment pha. Kamnandi into culture and everything. khonani isituko zibalekile so that abantu bakowenu ababukele bayazi. So Mr Dingo, please.
Ya ngumsame lo usukude ukhondwana. Uxarhela phezulu. Ndim lowo.
Joza.
Yes.
Khuluwa.
Udlamini lo ujama kasithathu ucubungulashe unomana lo isise elikhulu elimnyama kuthona.
Bendicimfa amakazazi. Akayifihlanga laa nto yakho siphi stretch.
Ever since ngaye Dubai kwesa strato saseBalito ngahlukana lezonto uyandipha isithathu naseke
Okay, Khomanzi, ndiyabulela. Khomanzi, silapha ku Mr X. Ibirthday yakhe, just umyalezo kuye.
Ndifuna ukuthi mina happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, Exie, happy birthday to you. Wakhawuleza wanqama ngoko ngiyamazi ngodwanguza.
Yeah. Abantu abafunayo ke ku social media bavumana njani abakhulu ba?
Sure, masiqala pha kumo uqala. Ndiyafumaneka pha ku TikTok and ngu@1mr_dingo. Ndifumaneka napha ku Facebook ndingu-Mr Dingo. uMr wam uno-MRR space Dingo. Ndifumaneka na ku Instagram ku@1mr_dingo. Yes.
We won no Mr Dingo.
We won.
Alright. Khona nami.
uAyanda Ndakisa 87 ku TikTok ku Facebook unguAyanda Ndakisa kuphela. Sifumaneka lapho kuphela mnganawo.
Nivile ke ayindimo chileyo bathilo bona bakhuluwa. We leave it at that. Bakhuluwa ndiyabulela kakhulu. Hopefully uThixo, in fact I know uThixo uzongiblessa. Kwande kwalapho nithatha khona bakhuluwa bami. Ndiyabulela kakhulu ngempexesha. Yeah man. Okay, for the camera let's say Mthatha Mtshana podcast.
Mthatha Mtshana podcast.
Back again with another special. Jongani man phethe bani. Yabo? But ke Mthatha Mtshana podcast asitsho bangibani. Sicela wena sisiwami. Alright.
Kaphela kwathi njani?
Akhona sisiwami. Igama lami ngilunga wakwaMatikane. Ngimubhukula mina umkhwanazi umhloko osisitha. Mkwali eli. Sisiwami ndinale podcast ngiyenzayo Mthatha Mtshana. As you know me as local connected.
Yes.
Yeah. So nale podcast ngiyenzayo Mthatha Mtshana. Abantu bethu silaba support Mr X bafuna ukwazi nje ba wena sisiwami ungubani. Yabo.
Hi everyone, igama lami ndingubani Rickly elona laziwayo le stage. I'm a DJ, but ke since ke ubhuti beke wazithutha nami ndizozithutha ndingodlamini uzizo fakathi ingqonobo ijama kaSjadi into egqotha abhaca nje wathiwa izovuya hayi ke ungiphuthisile. Yeah, I'm a DJ, Afrotech DJ and I'm a piano DJ.
Yes ma'am. Okay. Hey, mbethile ncane. Okay.
Into ndilibeleyo.
What's up?
First born kaZenhle kwaYimani le.
Yeah. Hello Zinhle.
Hayi mame.
Hello mame.
Hayi momeze.
Sike sastage sakho ubukhwela kuso.
Eze bethweka kuso. Ukhwela yenye into eze begwencela kuso.
Yes ma'am. Okay sis wami. What does it take for ubani asuke from rock bottom to where you are right now? I mean we see you uyadlala kwindawo ezininzi. Qale njani? Kwenzekani?
I started ukudJya last year November. So ndinonyaka ndidJya.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, ndiphendula. Ndinonyaka ndidJya right now. And my inspiration to be a DJ ngu-Uncle Waffles.
Yes ma'am.
Even though ndingadlali style sakhe, but my inspiration umuntu one-energy emeshana nam okwazi ukudJya aphume stage ayojiva entertain crowd aphinde abuye ayodJya is Uncle Waffles. So ndiye ndathatha ezaa mfundiso zakhe then created my own style ndadlala le ndlela yami ndidlala ngayo because yena udlala amapiano which is mna ndidlala afro-tech, afro house namapiano.
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. Jonga. Now I only wish you nothing but success.
Thank you.
But now, Slab as invitation Mr. X. What are we saying to Mr. X? As ubani message yakho to Mr. X?
Oh mani, uXola. Uxola is such a humble guy. So kuye ngifuna ukuthi enkosi ngokundifundisa ukuba humble, enkosi ngokundifundisa ukusebenza nabantu, enkosi ngokundifundisa ukuposta i-events noba i-events zihamba njani because le industry is not easy. So ku-X happy birthday, ukhule mfana kuthi, stay humble and kamnandi ungudlamini. So igazi. Yeah, ahlale humble engumntu wabantu and I wish him nothing but uba akhule more.
Yes ma'am. Thank you so much, Buns. So for abantu abafunayo.
You can follow me kuzo zonke socials zami ndinegama eli-1 Bani Rickley. Abantu abakakwazi ukuspela uRickley it's RICKLEE.
Yes.
So Bani BUNNY Bani Rickley.
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. I got a trick question. Dibus.
It's fine, you can ask.
Bani. Love life yakho. Don't describe it yona with either a rose or a liquor bottle.
Damn, I think liquor because kuyabheda kwezothanda when it comes to me.
Yeah, people will liquor bottles.
Le ndiyiselayo kaloku iHennessy ayikho enye in my car.
But it's a key, but the Hennessy.
But kaloku andikwazi ukuthi rose. Okay, maybe I can say rose because i-roses xa zikhula zii-bright then ziye zishintle ziphele. So currently phelile olwam uthando.
Oh, ding 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 ding.
Hayi guys, badlalile ngam. Hayi badlalile ngam shame.
Yazi ngiyadlala abantwana. Moya nje look. She's a 10. Okhayo wenza 360. Come on. Yes ma'am. Yes. Jonga available. Cha nje benaleyo man.
Uthando.
Yeah, inhliziyo but mina ngithanda ba aphathe grand man.
Yeah.
Yabo aphathe grand and umuntu ozophatha grand mase.
Bambe yona.
Yabo.
Bambe yona.
Sure man. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
you.
We love you so much.
Bye okay. Mchana podcast.
Okay, message us too.
Bye Mchana podcast.
with another special Mthatha Mtshana podcast. Bandasekhaya kanjonge manje niphethe bani? Godman, the elderly, the elder. But as always, abakushow asibatsho abantu. Khuluma, we want you to talk to the people. It's locked. Hey, that's cool. Anyways, ndinomkhuluwa apha kum but ke niyayazi i-podcast yethu iyi-one asitsho umntu uba ungubani umntu yazitsho uba ungubani. Mkhuluwa wam kuhle namhlanje
Siyakunjani bro?
akhona mkhuluwa wam igama lami ulunga wakwamadikani ndingubhukula mna umkhwanazi umhlobo osisithi uyandazi mkhuluwa but ke nale show ndiyenzayo Mthatha Mtshana podcast, so siyahamba nje eMthatha sidibana ne-individuals, businessmen like yourself, yabo sisive nje uba umkhulu usiphathele ntoni. So the first question I have for you namhlanje, umkhulu walo lapha phambi kwethu ngubani? For abantu abangakwaziyo.
Okay, hanokhuleka lo muntu umeya phambi kwenu neku-Zex wakwamagida i-artist enkulu lapha eMthatha yabo. So uthe nxa uzichaza wazichaza kahle wazichaza ngendlela eyiyo. Xa umuntu ezichazile awukwazi ubona ungakwazi uyidlulisa nayo lento leyo awuyikhanga nje esinqeni. Kuqwathi lo uthingela unono utswayibani unomani kwene umvala udabisi.
Yes, sir. Ulela kakhulu umkhulu wami. And yes, for the people that don't know you again, umkhulu wami, what are you all about wena mkhulu?
Okay, uSex Magida i-artist yabo. Abaninzi bamazi ngo-DJ, abanye bamazi nge-events, but mina ngokwami ndisibiza the-artist because within the entertainment industry okanye music there's a lot of things endizenzayo. So the reason why ndisibiza nge-artist indlela endisihlonipha ngayo leyo yabo. So ndingumuntu osemculweni, ndingumuntu oku-entertainment, uthando lelo umculo ne-entertainment ngikhule nalo kade ndazofikelela kule ndawo. So basically nje in simple terms ngu-DJ lo, producer, event organizer, music publisher, I'm also a songwriter, ngoma zami ndazibhalela. So nje ndiyilo package.
Yes sir. Mahle mkhulu wami aqongile. Angiseze ndiwagqobhe. Mahle kakhulu. Mkhulu wami silapha. Umkhulu usi-invitile. Ngiyacela man. Ngoba uzabe ebukele naye. Bazabe bebukele as a team. What do we say to them? Okanye wena i-message yakho to u-X team yakhe umkhulu?
Yeah, no, X uspanile kakhulu le team yakhe and it's not something that we're not used to. X ndimthanda ngayo events zakhe yazipush. Every time asenze event ne-team yakhe abaclean push an event. So I won't lie to you, this is massive for me. Ngaphandle kokugcwala nje kuphela, the fact that abantu they even bakwazi babalandela i-team, it shows ukuthi respecta the event, respecta the team enze i-event plus nomnikazi wayo. So into kanjalo imnandi iyadinga ukuqonda because ayiphelelanga ekuthenini hayi no ebekugcwele phako respect to X. No, akukurespecteka into yobana abantu hayi bekugcwele kuphela. People they listen to X. If X would make you black, abantu bamamela. So I respect that and isponsor ke ndiyasihlonipha kakhulu, especially ne-team yakhe esebenzisana naye. Nami as a-artist ebhukwe apha like everything ndiphathwe kakuhle from the start. Siqala undibhuka futhi X ne-team yakhe up until now. Even sifika, the hospitality, the vibes and everything, the performance. That's why I made sure nami performance ubana ndenze because basenzele ibala. I won't say much ngezinye artists I don't know, but I'm definitely sure into yobana sonke siphatheke ngolu hlobo. So
So now I would say nje kwi-team ka-X mna naye ndiyabulela kakhulu siphatheke kahle kakhulu ayikhwenyile ngayethu ubana siphatheke kakhulu even nabantu abalapha I'm sure they are happy besides thini artist.
Yes sir, yo mahle kakhulu mkhulu wami, for the people that want to see you, the people that want to book you, abantu abafuna ukuxhumana nawe ufumane kanjani umkhulu?
Okay, for bookings and also mhlambe nezinye izinto your inquiries and stuff, so inamba yami ithi 079418 9557 079418 9557. If uya WhatsApp uyabulisa ungena straight epointini bana okay uzothini yazintroducer asibuza uthi sizokwazi umphendula. And then social media uZex Makita yonke indawo, uZex wami ke uZYKES ayino ZAKES, so uZYKES everywhere, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok nako YouTube. Imix abafuna abathanda umculo imix nazo zonke sikhona ku YouTube, please bangifollow us and then bathi get to know me better and then babone nezinto endizipostayo bathi keep up with my journey and what I'm doing.
And congratulations to 1 million views. We're going to 2 million, trust and believe me with that.
No, actually it's 2 million already.
Oh!
It's 2. It's 2.5 million. Siyaku 3 ku YouTube, but ku Spotify it's 1.7, so close to Spotify. So akufani yakhula. And also lastly so kupi EP next week. The EP ndikupayo, there's nothing special more than ukuthi I'm just giving abantu a taste of what I've been giving them the whole year. For me the EP is just a celebration and also no grateful supporting itole ebantwini kumculo wami yabapha yabo asikho isidingo soba kubonye umculo because already ngoma lesikhule zane this year and bazithandile, but nina nalani bano mani bakhuphe le project ibe khona ukuvala unyaka.
Yes sir.
Ukubulela nje kuphela and also a low key celebration for a success yengoma bezikhona.
Godman, we've been seeing you and I'll tell you, we respect you, siyakuthanda umculo wakho, and me myself Tetelana nababalandeli bethu siyakusupport and we are behind you 100%. Keep doing you uZex Makita. So thank you so much Roman, and we hope nathi sawufika bakushow yakho. I know uhlala unento emthatha.
Yeah, on the 26th of December we're doing a homecoming enhlale niyenza, but this year alisayibiza ngoZex Makita homecoming, sengumthatha homecoming abantu bonke ayisiyo yami, abantu bangisupportile 5 years ndiyenza. Now we're starting a new chapter but with the same concept, changing the name and also welcoming everyone, because I want the event to be a pride of Mthatha as much as Ibiyo and also pride of the province. Event yabantu akuseyo yami yethu so 26 December abantu bandicheck bandifollow support hlale beyibona. And then lastly ngicela abantu baseMthatha the province everywhere nilandele uMthatha Mtshana podcast, abafethu bayakhula nathi siyasupportana i-podcast sizihloniphe. Please guys,
Yes sir. Roman yami yabulela kakhulu. I hope you have a good night. Yes man, God bless. Ukwande nalapho uthatha khona mkhulu wami. Thank you so much. Yes man, if you're watching this, hit the like button, subscribe, make sure you follow and share. Santhana bafethu.
Eat the party one time.
Hey yo, we back again with another one. I got a beautiful queen with me. Nyabona mos. But as always, sasa ndiye chibangubani. Nguye ozosixelela uba ngubani. Siswam right namhlanje.
Ushafu njani?
Akhona siswami. Igama lami ngilunga kwaMatikane. Ndenza le show kuthiwa ngumthatha mtshana podcast.
Okay, cool.
But I have a name. Xa nsenza le show kuthiwa Local Connect ZA. So ndarapper no rapper.
Okay, sharp.
Ndenza wena. Siswami, I have this platform. Yeah, lapha eMthatha. We're just meeting people. It's conversating nje with people. Wena siswami, first question of the day. Ungubani?
Igama lami ndinguyanda Xolelo.
Yes.
Ndingumagxarha umxarha uvambane from a village called Kumanzimdaka eNgcobo apha ephondweni.
Yes. Engcobo akalungu walapha wena yafana.
50-50.
Because Ingcobo Mthatha into eyi-one le.
Ku-609.
Yeah, Motsolo, Ngcobo, Mthatha, Lipoto, zonke
The whole shebang.
You know what I mean? Okay, so you're looking beautiful by the way.
Pardon?
You're looking beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Yes,
Thank you.
Nina.
Ndibamba ngazo zozibini.
Yes, ma'am. Siswam, are you enjoying yourself?
I really am. I'm so happy to be here today because it's not just about wearing all black, it's about celebrating all things X Entertainment, and I'm here for that. Supporting Abantu Balapha eMthatha and all things entertainment as well. So I'm here for that.
With that being said, siselapho futhi kulo ndawo kwesupport yaseMthatha. A message to the host yanamhlanje. Awunoba nje umyalezo nje pha ku-Mr. X.
Mr. X, I'd like to say to him, but keep pushing. We see you, we love you, we support you, we're here, and this is Mr. Class. That's on period.
Yeah. So what are you doing?
I'm a student counselor. My job is to listen to Mikowe Bandu each and every single day, and that's why it's important for me. I'm also a creative amongst other things.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm just
Dabbling with those two
things as well, because creatives, you can't really box them into anything.
Yeah.
It's multifaceted. We can dab into anything, be it music, fashion, everything that comes with
It's
it.
all about that, and I believe
True.
it's just in our nature to create.
It is.
Yes, man. Okay, are you staying in Mthatha?
Oh yes, I am.
Okay, let's not reveal your location, but abantu abafuna usipana nawe for the creative side, because already andifuna ukungena into zespan sakho.
Okay, cool.
Because
We entertainment.
outside.
Entertainment industry tonight.
So yeah, abantu bakayifumana ku socials bafumana njani?
It's at Yanda Xolelo on Facebook, Yanda Xolelo on Instagram as well, and then Yanda_Xolelo on TikTok.
Yes, Yanda.
You've got it.
Yes. Okay, I got a trick question. Hebrews.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Describe love life yakho with a liquor bottle.
With the what?
Liquor bottle. Jay. Mbizela noma yephi liquor bottle ezo describe love life yakho.
Liquor bottle.
It can even be a flower.
A flower. A daisy.
A daisy.
Okay, water lily. It's hard to find. Ngabile njengomjolo wamakhondo.
I hope nivile. Okay, man. chat Yanda siyabulela mfethu.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Keep the lovely spirit.
Thank you so
I
much.
hope Uthixo akwandisele nalapho uthatha.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your night.
Thank you.
Hey yo, what up beautiful Tata people? We back again. We got the main man right now. Sifumeneo usingaye straight. But as always, Tata Mchana podcast wenza kanje. We never say uba ngibalo simphethelele. Sifuna yena anixelele ngokwakhe uba ungubani. Khomani yami, kuhle mkhulu.
Shabu the jam.
Shabu khomani yami. Khomani yami lona uthetha naye ngulunga kwaMatikane. Ubhukula ke lo umkhwanazi umhlophosi usitha. Ngumhlophe mina.
Yes.
Singaba ngapha ke lisikisiki thina, but mina ndikhulele apha ke Tax. As ke nimbona na ku entertainment ndigrunyanini Godmanzi. I look up to you guys. The establish ke le podcast wa Mthatha Mchana. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. So, dada umise kuzoba nalanto yakhe. Yayazi ke lo unoza special zakho so nyaka nonyaka. Yabo season ne season. Xa uthandile.
Hey,
Xa inkosi ivumile. What is this? Ngisakubonga.
Okay.
But Khonman, abantu basemthatha nabangakwaziyo ababukele le podcast. Ngicela nje mkhuluwa uzazise uba wena ungubani.
Yo. Hey, ndiyazazisa yo straight.
Yes sir.
NguDlamini uzizinjokwenu ulamyeni. Nqaba noboya. Khona igama into yakwa Gilman.
Yes sir.
Khona ke apha kwa entertainment as ngo-X Entertainment. Push events 3 cm mini skate party nangoku siku event yam OOTT All Black.
All Black.
Thanks to Mthatha Mchana.
Yes sir.
Bayibe khona apha.
Yes sir.
Danko njayam.
Khomani.
Danko njayam.
Nami ndiyabulela Brian.
Danko njayam.
Ndiyabulela Khomani yami. Khomani yami wayibeka yaqwenga la intro. For everyone okwaziyo.
Yes.
And everyone ongakwaziyo.
Yes.
Nje Mr X makasti take back.
Yeah.
Uba siqala njani Mr X 2 basifike apha.
Yo,
Just quick nje usithi abantshintshi
collect DJN my guys.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Lende collect DJN in 2018. And then nda inspired xa ndibona abantu abanjengo PK, the late PK, may his soul rest in peace.
RIP.
Safunda ke ndafunda in fact. Ndazixelela uba one day I'll do it by myself. Njengoba nangoku sisaqhuba and sizawuqhuba
usazawuyiwa.
Danko njayam.
Funny enough, you talk about the late PK.
Yes.
Yes. Incancepha incanca kuni
Sonke.
like Khonman.
Yes, right.
I think nami lucky because dikla era ndikubona Khonman uyidibanisa lento uyidibanisa yabona nami zama ungena pho ndikwazi ungena khona Khonman. So Khonman siyabulela.
Thank you so much my brother.
Khonman yami abantu bakho xa bajongile namhlanje ithini into yabo ba right
Bonwabile ba happy.
Yeah. And to them message
Ukhona Tom Lamza zeMonti.
yes sir
Tom Lamza zeBhayi.
Yaliva.
Tobeki. Sonke silapha eMthatha
exclaim
Danko bafethu.
yaniva
The game changer.
yaniva
Danko.
Khonani siyakuthanda siyabulela ngoba ungagive up ku-youth ndivile youth apha ndikhe nda-interview youth
Yeah.
youth ithetha kamnandi ngawe ithi youth uyayisapota youth and everything man like you keep uplifting uyababhuka
Yeah.
yabona Khonman. So Khonman, thank you so much. Please keep adding and ndiyacela uThixo akwandisele apho uthatha khona Khonman yami.
Tsamako.
Yabo Khonman yami for abantu abangakwaziyo bawufumane kanjani masibabambe pha emakhasini.
Alright, on Facebook, Xola Morgan Gilman. Instagram, Wadlala X. Siphinde futhi Facebook, OOTD All Black. Siphinde futhi Facebook, 3 cm mini skate party. TikTok, X. Danko bafethu.
Wait. khona le phani ndiyimisile khona you got artists here
Yes.
they came
Yes,
and they
man.
laid their hearts
Yes.
out on the floor sithini kubo
ndiyabulela ndithi dlamini
oh
dlamini ndiyabulela namazwi bafu
khomanyam siyabulela okay for the podcast Mthatha podcast masiye
mthana
podcast yeah man ndizaya pha Cairo yena xa seyigqibile then sibe siyayifaka ndiyabulela khomanyam
One